What is up, JL Life? Model here.
What's up? Misty, here.
We got an announcement. So y'all remember the last bet where I got my chest waxed?
That hurts.
I'm trying to make an M, but
Why is it hurting?
Oh, yes.
I'm trying, but
Yes.
it's difficult.
It hurt in my armpit. It hurt. Well, we got a new bet.
New bets.
This time, it ain't just gonna be me putting stuff up on the table.
Getting pains.
Missy's gonna be subject to this too. Bet y'all wondering, what are we gonna do?
Yes.
The next loser has to take the one chip challenge on live.
What are the stipulations?
Same as before. You don't make it up. What the other one makes it up, you lose. Long arm against short arm.
Mid arm.
And that's the fresh boy, the 2020. The devil's year right there. I've been drinking. So, put your predicaments in the comments below.
Predicaments.
Who's gonna lose? Who's sucking down the chip? It's gonna be me or Misty.
Who is it gonna be?
And guys, check me out on Twitch. I'm streaming now.
Yeah.
I'm diversifying my portfolio. Diversifying them bonds. But they're not bonds. It's entertainment.
What are you saying?
Remember to
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
stay tuned for the next one, y'all.
Keep it easy.
Stay tuned and keep it easy.